Hi, everybody. Welcome to Social Studies. We are going to talk about the New England colonies. Okay, so the New England colonies, there's four of them. I know you're used to writing five names, but Maine is part of Massachusetts. So this big thing and this one here are the same colony. This is Massachusetts. This is Massachusetts. This is New Hampshire. This is Connecticut. And this is Rhode Island. Four of them because Maine is part of Massachusetts. Okay? So there were four colonies in the New England region. New Hampshire, Massachusetts, Maine is part of it, Connecticut, Rhode Island, four of them. So in New England, they were trying to make money, right? They sailed from England and then they went to North America and they went to New England, right? So they could not plant crops to make money. That means they couldn't plant like corn and beans. They couldn't do it. Why? Because the soil was too rocky. Look at this. Lots of rocks. Can you plant in that? Probably not. Okay, and then the winters were too cold and long. So you can't plant plants when you have a really long winter and very, very cold. You need warmer weather to plant plants and eat them, right? Okay, so they could not plant crops. So what could they do? Let's find out. How the New England colonies made money. They made money by fishing. They caught fish. Whaling. At the time there were whales, so they caught the whale, and I think they used the oil to light their lamps. The whale oil was used as fuel. But anyway, they did fishing, whaling, and shipbuilding. They built ships because they had a lot of trees and a lot of wood. You could build ships. Okay, that's it for our lesson. Now we should try to look at our assignment. Okay, so here's our assignment. Social Studies assignment. New England colonies. Decide if the following statements are true or false. Virginia is one of the New England colonies. You figure that out. Is that true or false? Do they have a colony called Virginia there? The New England colonies made money by fishing, whaling, and shipbuilding. True or false? Number 3. There were 5 colonies in the New England region. True or false? You figure it out, okay? Choose the right answer. The New England colonies could not plant crops because A. The soil was too rocky and the winters were too cold. The farmers, boy, that's a typo. I will fix it. The farmers did not have seeds. They were too busy fishing. So you have to decide what is the right answer. Where were the new colonies? Where were the New England colonies? Where were they? Were they south of the other colonies? North of the other colonies? East of the other colonies? So look, do you remember this? North, south, east, west. This is called the compass rose. We spent a lot of time at the beginning of the year talking about directions, right? Cardinal directions. Let's look at a map of the colonies. We're looking at these guys, right? We're looking at New England. But they want to know, where's New England compared to the middle and those guys, the southern? Where's New England? Is it north? Is it south? Is it east? Right? That's the question. So that's it for now. Remember, if you don't understand this one, you can look at translation of lesson in Schoology. If you don't understand the assignment, that's this one, look for translation of assignment in Schoology. That's it for now. See you next time.